Hello, I am Faisal from Bangladesh. I am a CNC milling operator. I have been work last 10 years. Today I want to tell you about this milling machine and show a drilling program in this machine. Okay, let's start. Introduce this machine. This is a vertical machining center. Its brand name has uh, model number BF5, country origin USA, and its controller has also. This is a 4th axis machine. There are x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, and rotary axis also. Okay, I want to start the operation. At first, I need to axis origin. For this axis origin, place handle jog mode. First x-axis origin, and then y-axis origin, and then z-axis origin. Okay, my origin is done. Now I start program. Uh, First of all, select a drilling program. Select the program. This is my program. Select program. Memory mode. Press, and I install a job. Device. Job holding complete. Okay, I start this program. This is my program. Uh, Cycle start. The program is running. Now, feed hold this program. I want to take this program. One pocket complete. One pocket complete. Okay, continue full program. Okay, my program is complete. Now I stop this machine and check the product. Product complete. Okay, goodbye. See you next video.